Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is a haul video from Charlie's Nail Art Supply in UK. We got our airmail sticker. Love the Queen one. This one's new to me. Whoops, we got stuff falling out. This one's new to me. Here's the address I have shipped to, in case anybody wants to send any things donated to my channel. We've got items falling out, so that's what we're going to start with. I don't want to dump it, I just wanted to go one by one. Here we have got some, let me plug a light in or two. You can see here. There we go. We've got some metal little spider webs. These are going to be really super cute to do nail art with. We've got some metal pumpkins. And these are flat, so you may have to get your carving tool out. It'll put a curve into them for your nails. Really super cute. Love, love, love some spiders. I have a couple already. I am done partying with anything for right now for giveaways. I still have one monetization giveaway to do. I haven't forgotten about that, so don't think I have. We've got some scary masks for the movie. I think that is too cute. We have got skeleton faces here. There are two. Super cute. Look at these things. Aren't these adorable? And I know they're supposed to be scary, so to speak, because of Halloween, but I think they're too cute. These are two haunted houses. For nail art, they do have the curve in them, so they should sit on your nail just fine. The set is always a huge plus. These are teeth, like vampire teeth. Like when you're a kid, you get the wax ones and put in your mouth. Cute. Okay, now we are coming into some foils. Each foil does have its own name, and I don't know off the top of my head the names of them. Whoops, we got the note from Charlie's. Hello, Sheree. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing all your fabulous designs. So here are some so far. Some different foils, Halloween foils that I'm pulling out. Oh, we got sit that one off the side. That's a glitter mix. It's my PR package. Let me see, let me see. Yes, these are all for Halloween. I don't know if I got any. Oh, here's a double. We got a double here. Let's set these off to the side. We're talking about foils right now. Foil trouble. Oh, those are cute. Let's see, do I have these out here already? Sure don't. Charlie's has many, many different Halloween foils, as you can see. I think that's all my foils for right now. I'll show them to you one by one. Super cute. Super, super cute. None of these are say fall per se. They are all for Halloween. Happy Halloween, it says. I got a lot of foils I'm going to be playing with this year. Well, the tail end of this year. Yes, these are all for Halloween. Ooh. Some of you even say Happy Halloween, which is super cute. Now we are coming into some other odds and ends, which are the water decals. Here's another foil. Oh, here's another one. This reminds me of Day of the Dead foil. We've got all kinds of water decals. Let me take these out. Okay, let's put this box to the side. Okay, my water. Here's another foil. I do believe I have this one up here. Yeah, right there, I think. So we have some water decals. We have got spiders, kitty cat, spider webs. Ooh, scary. 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 So we have some, let me see these. Oh, those are doubles. He's got different kind of crosses and a scary tree, skull and crossbones, a cat. Happy Halloweens, scary tree and spider webs. Not sure what the red is down here, probably a bloody something or another. Got words that say boo. And your owls, different kind of owls for Halloween. Yeah, I forgot about owls for Halloween. Here's this one, that one's really cute. Love these. Okay, let's see what else we want. So there are 2 of these. I do believe there are 2 of those. Maybe not, maybe not. I thought there was though. Okay, here are some. Oh, I can't. These are witches on the broom. Witches on the broom. I want to put it down here, but you can't see, so we put it over there. Two skulls. 2 full skeletons. 2 little Halloween skeletons. Now we're going to move on to the glitter mixes. This one is called Bonfire Night Hexagon Mix. It's called Bonfire Night. That is really pretty. Let's see. You have to wait to get it just right there. There we go. That's just beautiful, isn't it? This is a 4-gram bag. And this one is Jack-o'-lantern glitter mix. Love, love, love. It's a very beautiful mix. Ooh, this beautiful purple. I'm liking this one. Wish's Potion. This is a 4-gram mix as well. Look in the description box for my code for Charlie's. Gets you a discount. These are some black pumpkins with a white accent. Oh, look at these pretty gems. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Haunted houses. Little skeletons. Where did I put those? There we go. We have double of those. More of these skeleton heads. Guess I hated my doubles. There's only 2 in the package. The teeth. Scary teeth. Urgh. And the pumpkin pieces. There are 4 in the package and they are curved already. So that's beautiful. Looks like. Beautiful. Oops. Alrighty. One more item. These are some multicolored pearls, like pastels. 3mm mixed pearl gems. 20 pieces it says. No, wait a minute. Maybe it's just 200 pieces. It's kind of tiny, but it looks like a lot. Now for my PR package. So I am an ambassador for Charlie, so each month we get to pick a few items that we would like to sample. I'll have up here in the corner, there's a PR package. Excuse me, I'm thirsty. Because now YouTube requires you, if you are doing something that's PR related where you got it for free, you're doing promotions for the company, it has to be in your video. It has to be in your description box, across your screen, whatever. It's like a Day of the Dead foil. That's what it reminds me of. Ooh, we got some ghosts. Oh, what are these? Glow in the dark moons. Haha. That's gonna be cute to have on a Manny. Because I'm sure by the colors of them, they're gonna glow big time. Jack-o'-lantern sample, which I did order some of this too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are kitty cats. Kitty cats, white cats for Halloween. And a sample, it should be Witch's Potion, yep. And last but not least, oh, they're bats. Ooh. Don't like these. At least in the house a couple times throughout my lifetime, which was pretty scary. So these are my PR items that I picked from Charlie's. So here's the full size 4 grams. And the full size 4 grams of jack-o'-lantern. So I'm excited about my items here from Charlie's. I'm going to put my PR items up here to the side. This is my whole caboodle that I spent at Charlie's for Halloween. Which I'm going to have to go on a no-buy here for a little while because I've been spending a lot still. It's just that when you end up throughout the month, it's like, wow. But on that note of my beautiful haul here, it's just, I love these beads. Love these beads. I know they are not for fall or Halloween, but I had to have these before they weren't in stock anymore. The rest of this is all Halloween related. There's a lot of manicures. A lot of manis to be had. So, check out Charlie's Nail Art Supply on Instagram. I will put that link in the description box as always. I have my discount code in there. It will be across the bottom of the screen somewhere. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you are subscribed and click the bell. That way you get notified, you know, through my videos when Charlie's doing this or that, or, you know, when I'm doing acrylics or Shimano. There's just a number of different things that I do here on my channel. I could be doing reviews or swatches or nail art. It's a crapshoot. So you gotta stay tuned. And I hope that you do that. I like the new subscribers. My channel is growing slowly. I wish it was, you know, gathering more subs more quickly, but it is what it is. I welcome all the newbies that we have with us. I hope that you will stay. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all my little goodies here. Have you tried these out? Do you have any of these yourself? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Let me know. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.